Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Bo. So I'm going to do a quick one. If you have a Klr650 and you've done the upgrade, the Eagle Mic doohickey with the torsion spring, you'll notice that the bike is a lot quieter after you're done. Now, the one thing that got me really worried was, if you listen, there's a whirring sound. There's a big thumper because that's just the nature of this, but you can hear kind of like almost like a chainsaw engine or a chainsaw chain just kind of going around. It's that sound of that chain. So what's happened is I called Eagle Mike to verify that that sound was normal after doing the torsion spring. He asked like how many miles were on the engine. There were 28,000 miles already on this engine before I did the upgrade. So he said there's more than likely going to be some damage that's already been done to it, but that whirring sound is normal because now we're putting tension on those the gears and the chain. So when I took out my doohickey, there was the spring was loose and there was no tension. So that is normal. He said also there's two factors that might make that sound worse. The aluminum skid plate that I have is reflecting a lot of that sound up, as well as the weight of the oil. So in my case, I'm using a 10W40 part synthetic. He recommended that I go with a little bit heavier, so I'm going to go with that 15W40 Rotella T4 after I let this run for about 50 or 100 miles, just to make sure there's any churn or any crap. Then I'll do a full oil and filter change, just in case there were shavings or little bits of shit that were in there. And the other thing he recommended to me was, now that my doohickey was in and everything kind of chilled out, to go and take that plastic, that little rubber plug off the bottom there, right there, back it out, unsnug the doohickey adjustment bolt by a half turn, give it a little bit of taps with like a piece of 2x4 or a rubber mallet on the case, and then re-torque to 78 inch-pounds that nut, and then everything should be good from there. So I'm just letting her get up to temperature, which she is, and she is a million times quieter. I'm imagining the heavier weight engine or oil will help. So if you did the torsion spring upgrade and then you're hearing that little whirring, you are good to go. All right, talk to you guys later, and I'll see you.